G'day guys, Liam Fitzpatrick here. This morning I'm doing something a little different. I'm land-based, but I'm out on the bay side. I'm just gonna hit a few of these rock walls and little canal entrances and all these bits of foreshore and stuff. Keen to get a few squid, land-based squid. Might be a little early, but I reckon there'd be a couple showing up around the place. And I got some big poppers and stuff tied on, you know, queenies and trevallies might show up in these areas. And I've got a brim rod there rigged up. But yeah, it's gonna run and gun a few of these spots, see how we go. It's a low tide now, I've got incoming basically for the whole session. Yeah, got a nice little weedy rock wall down here. I reckon there'd be a few squid cruising along this, so yeah, should be a fun day. Here we go. Bloody ferals, man. Yep, they're slippery. These ones with a bit of barnacles on, they're a bit friendlier underfoot. Those pure slimy ones are just death. Just gonna start off, little G-splash. See if there's any big predators kicking around here. Weather's good. It's been a steady flow of boats heading out since I got here. No bust ups. See if there's any squid kicking around. Just got a little Yamashita. It's like a 2.5 or a 2. Just a little guy, might be a 1.5. Nice light drag on these. Oh, something followed that. Might have been a fish, might have been a squid just off that drop off. I think a little wrasse or something come out of the weed. No follows. Don't appear to be any squid about, not here anyway. No, there's no squid here. No reason why there won't be squid here at some stage of the tide, but there's nothing here now. And I'm not going to stand in the one spot for too long, I'm just going to keep moving around. Like I said, running and gunning a few spots. Ecogear BP50. What I don't want to do is throw it straight onto that pontoon, because that'll suck. I don't want to get too close either. Eat it, buddy. Oh, dude. Alright, that first wall didn't produce, so I'm just hitting a few of these little council easements between the houses here. Just got the brim rod out, just going to walk down and flick the pontoons either side that I can access and just keep on moving. So, yeah. Hopefully the brim play the game. Just watch my shadow, it's going to throw down that way. So just got a little gulp crabby rigged on a 1/40th ounce head. Hidden weight. What'd I get? Tiny cod. Tiny little cod. Oh no, I've let him swim into a hole. Oh, you idiot. I've let him brick me. He's trying to get down on these slippery rocks. And he's done me. Oh, you idiot. Oh, popped me. You idiot. Don't let cod swim around. Oh. Missed that one. Don't do it. Come off it, that barely went over that. There's a little fish. Tiny fish. A little mosey. Tiny Moses perch. No. Alright, I've had no luck on the foreshore. Just come to a little landlocked lake. Gonna have a flick here. Just like I said, just gonna keep running and gunning. I'm gonna have incoming tide, so some of these lakes are gonna get their pipes pumping, so a bit of incoming water pushing into these pipes. You know, might get some herring and some tarpon fired up, but just gonna keep flicking, just keep moving around. Hopefully something happens. There were two really big brim that just come swimming in then. They were big brim. Right there. There's a big fish there. Holy hell, look at the size of this long tom coming past. There's a long tom coming along from here. He looked at that lure and turned. That's a big long tom. Little flathead. There he goes. Man, they disappear quick. I look away for a second and he's gone. There he goes. He was right there. I could not see him to save myself. Oh no. God damn. It's the problem when there's not fish there to eat your bait. You drag your bait along a lot more bottom. All right, just made another move. Just found a little drainage ditch. So it's got a little causeway, a little weir on it. There's a little lake over the side here. Give it a crack. I've got nothing else to lose. I've just had bad luck all morning. Little fish and just snags and busting stuff off, and yeah, but just keep going. Hopefully I find something soon. Oh, there's a hit. Missed it though. Oh, what was that? Looking out there, they mowed all bloody tilapia. Yeah, it would have been a little brim. Not too bad, mate. Yourself? What's that? Yeah, right. Yeah, okay.
I saw you come out of that other section over there where you were over there all the time. But from the gateway, basically, everything back to the bay is airport lane.
Yeah, right.
So it can't be any...
Fair enough.
Okay, sorry. I'm here to... Don't mind.
All good.
Doing what you're doing, but it can't be any...
All right, buddy.
Where that earthworks is over there, that's not airport land, so beyond that, it's all okay. They're going to be touching federal cops and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah, right. So, bud. Well, I got about half a dozen casts in there, and old matey's moved me on. Now, I'll open Google, find something else, we'll go hit that. Just trying to fish. Alright, I've failed dismally at everything I've attempted so far this morning. I've got high tide now, or tide's come up a fair way. I'm just going to try and chase a squid like I started out to do. Someone's got their drone overhead. Should ask them for the footage. Yeah, it's going to throw the squid jig. If I get a couple of squid, I'll be stoked, so fingers crossed. Look at the bait here. Look at that bait. How's it going? What's that? Yeah, I thought I'd do something different, man.
Yeah?
I want to feed a squid. No, I'll have a play around and threw some poppers and shit this morning, but
Yeah. Oh, we're at here?
nah, down at Raby Bay and that.
Oh, yeah. Any light?
No, it's still low tide. It's only just starting to come in.
Yeah.
And then I thought, bugger it, if I'm out here, I might as well try and get a feed or something.
Yeah.
Is there much going on?
There's been a few mackerel, like, see all the bait fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's been a few mackerel harassing them, but...
Just little schoolies.
Oh, some of them are pretty big, man.
Yeah, right. Wow.
Upwards of 60, 70. I
Yeah,
think
okay.
one that was 70 on Sunday.
Yeah, right.
There's been heaps of queenies around, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I've had no luck, man. I've been everywhere. I went here, there, and a lake, and then up near the airport to a lake, and some dude kicked me out, and then bloody went and had a look around the house.
Yeah.
Just looking, man. Looking.
Raby was firing like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah,
But
okay.
I went quiet.
Yep.
There's like tarpon, dart,
Yeah, right.
queenies there.
Anyone get any squid here or what?
I've seen some in the harbour
Yeah, okay.
at night time.
Yeah.
But not much on the ground floor. They're just starting to come in.
Yeah, well, the boys found a heap out at Green the other day, so I was like, oh, maybe there'll be a few out here.
Yeah.
How's that bait, man?
Yeah, there's heaps, and that's why the mackerel won't touch the lures. It's too much
So
bait.
much food.
Yeah. You see them like every 10-15 minutes they'll like come crash through that corner.
Yeah, right.
All the way along this wall.
Well, I don't know what to do now. I'm on about plan E, G, F, God knows what. Should have put the boat in.
Yeah.
No, I'll go chase the brim, I reckon.
Yeah.
Alright, man.
I'll catch you next time.
Take it easy, eh? Yeah, I'll be about. Good luck, eh? Oh, he had it. Damn it. I cannot buy it, man. Second last stop. I got this little dead end and then one more little dead end down there. It's coming down to the wire. I haven't even caught a decent fish yet. Learned a bit, you know, put myself out of my comfort zone, doing some areas I haven't fished before, so yeah, come on, gotta make it happen. I'll go for the cast under there, but I'm gonna go over a rail or something. Oh, I nailed it. Come on, get eaten. Yep. Yes. Finally. Oh, he's trying to do me in those trees. Oh, that spooked something bigger then. He's not a big brim by any means, but man. That's been a long time coming. There we go, not a big fish by any means, man, but I've struggled all day. Tiny little brim, just one of the little little easements back of one of these canals. It's been a tough day. It's been a humbling day, I'll tell you that. Horrible looking bait coming back through the water when they're like this. It's all about the free fall, first initial cast. Alright, this is it, last spot. Oh, there's one. There's a brim under that corner. Should be the way he was headed. Didn't want it. They beat me. They beat me. That's it. Out of time. Should ask him for the footage.